friends, we are here for second part, that after the straining the milk we need to squeeze the water content in this. After squeezing you can keep some hard things on this way for some time, for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, paneer is done. Let's check how it will be ready. Paneer is ready. Now we can cut it down. Paneer, let's cut. See how soft the paneer will be. Oops. We have done this much of paneer. We get around 200 grams of paneer we get. Roasted paneer for paneer butter masala. Now we are preparing paneer butter masala and this paneer.